Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.